Okay, traders, here's the SPY. It's on the website. Everybody knows that we bought the 570 puts up here going out 90 days, and we're reaping the benefits. That's 150 day. It doesn't have no support until it gets to the 200 day. Now, look at the SPY is on our website. The proof is there. You can't deny it. It's impossible. It's on this channel. And we called it before it happened. And we're updating you now. Why you are not making the money on the SPY, and I am. And I want to work with you so that you have the same feelings I have right now. Yes. Right here. If you look here. QQQ puts, and we have the SPY puts. It's right here. We encourage the fact that we want you to be part of this success. We want you to take accountability for you, and I'll do the rest.